Hello, everyone. This is Anita N, the Biz Coach, and I'm coming back again to allow you to join my DIY credit repair journey. On my last video, I shared with you all that in the last little bit over a month, my credit score for all bureaus has gone up, as you can see here again. TransUnion is at plus or increased 19 points, Experian 9 points, Equifax 18 points. All right, and so today I wanted to share with you all the process of creating your dispute letters and sending them off. So I will show you all here on my homepage on the platform that I'm using, and I am a representative, a brand ambassador of the DIY Credit Optimize AI platform. And I will have information, a link or a QR code where you will be able to find out a little bit more information about the program. It's only $50 a month, $49.95, something like that, but $50, right? To be able to do your own credit repair versus trusting all of your personal information to someone else. Just let the system do it for you, right? And all you have to do is follow the instructions. So, like I said, today we're going to be looking at the dispute letter process. You're going to be able to see here where I have sent off some already, and I'm on my last ones that I'm going to create and get prepare to mail off certified mail, hopefully today. As you can see here, you will be able to see that I am on my second round of dispute letters. The first round is what has helped my credit score to raise the 19, 9, and 18 points for the three bureaus. And so, as you can see here, I created a letter here recently. I sent it off on the 9th, and we're waiting for the results. Yesterday, I created my dispute letters for Experian, and it's waiting for me to mark as sent. I haven't done that yet. So today I wanted to be able to show you all how I'm going to create my second round of dispute letter for Equifax. All right, so as you can see here, I'm on the home page of the platform. And down here, it's telling me to create a dispute letter. All right, so we're going to go in here. I'm going to click on create dispute letter. All right. So the first thing I have to do is to click on these boxes to say that these are the ones that I want to be included on the letter. Okay. All right. All right. So with that, then the next thing it tells me right here for item selected next. Okay. So it has added its own dispute reason. Now, I have been going with their reasons because it's been working. So, why change it up? Okay. So here's just telling me that information. It stated that it was some late payments for this, but the account has been charged off or closed, which I know it's been closed. And it gives me the reason here. It says I previously disputed this account stating I don't remember ever being late with this payment. On this account, please provide statements and records of all payments made and missed since I opened this account. I don't agree with the results of your investigation. Please mail me the proof of your investigation and proof of the negative payment status for this account, or delete the negative information in this account. All right, and that's what it's going to basically say for each one of these. The added dispute reason, right? And what I like to add here is the fact that, let's see here. So I'll have to go to each one of these and check it. I believe at the bottom, save. I have to save it. So you have to go to each one and save it. All right. So what I have shared before is that although, some people say, and they do have good credit, which I commend you all for doing that, you know, most of the times, most of mine, and I'm just going to be honest, have been due to late payments because I simply forget the payment dates. So now what I've decided to do to keep this from happening is go ahead and set it up on auto pay, which I hate, but I'm trying to create better habits. Right. So, because my phone is not even working for me for my reminders, y'all. So, anyway, so I've gone into each one of those and saved my dispute reason and letter. So now it tells me, great job. Click finish to save your dispute letters. So I'm going to click finish, following instructions. All right. So now it's telling me that my dispute letter has been emailed to my email address that I'm using for this platform. Okay. And all of my business that has to do with the DIY credit optimization. So what I'll do, I will go to that email in just a moment for you all to see what that letter looks like. I showed you in the last video, but I'll just give you a quick look again because I am allowing you all on this journey. Of course, I'm not going to be sharing all of my personal information, right? Because we know some people out there that will try to use stuff, right? So anyway, we're going to take a look at that in a minute. So those of you all that have great credit, what I have to say to that is, again, congratulations, and I commend you on that. However, there could also still be some discretionary, or that's not even the right word, some bad marks on your credit report that could be affecting your credit score from being even higher. So one of the things that this system does as well is it always checks to see if there's any red flags that come up that maybe you need to delete off of your report that's just sitting there and is causing your score to not be as high as it should or could be. So that's another reason why this system is so great to be able to use, that even though you may have a 6 or 7, we're trying to get, and our goal is to get above 850. Right. That's when all sorts of doors open for you. All right. And you just continue to go up from there. So my goal is to raise my credit score so that I can have more options with business loans, business financing, lines of credit, and things of that nature. So that is a reason that I'm going on this, besides just wanting to improve my personal credit for personal reasons as well, right? And to create better habits and clean up some of this history that I have. Okay, so let's see here now. I'm gonna try to have to go. Hopefully, this will share with you all. I'm gonna have to go to I got lots of email addresses, you all. So give me a moment to get to the one that I need to get to. Let's see, credit for you. All right, so we should have it there, and there it is. All right. So it says here, hi, Anita, great job. Tells you a whole bunch of other stuff. Now let's scrap out of the way here. So basically, I just want to go down here. This is the email that you would get when you receive your dispute letter in your email as an attachment. I'll go down here at the bottom. Go ahead and just open it for you all so you can see. So this is the the instruction and explanation, first page, cover page, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to go down to the other pages because that'll have some of my personal information on it, but it's telling me right here what I need to do. I need to fill in my date of birth. I've been doing that on all my letters. I need to fill in my social security number. It's telling me how to write it in black or blue ink. I need to sign the letter, right? And then it tells you how to mail it off. So you have, and what all you need in there. You need your dispute letter, of course, and all of them will be separate to each bureau. You need a copy of your photo ID. Most times that's going to be our driver's license. Now, these things are optional, but the reason they say include a copy of your photo ID and a copy of your proof of address, and that can be a utility bill, of course, would be the best, is because the bureaus can use not being able to identify you or not knowing where your current and correct address is, and slow down the process. So to speed up the process and don't give them any excuses, you include all that information in there. And then the last thing says if you have any copies of any evidence that you can provide to go along with your dispute reason. All right. I will not be including anything because I don't have anything. So I've been doing it, just including the top three things. It's been working. So that's what I'm going to continue to do for now. It gives you the address to mail it to. And then you want to go back in the system and mark as sent when you do go ahead to the post office and send it certified mail. Now, number 4 here says mail your disputed letter using standard mail or certified mail. We suggest certified mail because that way you can track it. There's no excuse again for it being lost or anything in the mail. So you know exactly where it is, who it got to, and all of that good stuff, right? So, and also an important step is to continue and keep your account with the DIY Credit Optimized AI because it's going to continue to provides reports for you. It's going to continue to do security checks and things of that nature. So it's a lot of benefits for utilizing this platform. Okay. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get ready to prepare those now. So just going back over to the platform, I shared with you all before that. Oh, I should do dashboard. Okay, that I've done a lot of, I did most of the tutorial videos that helped me learn how to do the process. They're very easy. I really, didn't want to do this. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't want to do it. I was like, I already had paid somebody else again to do it for me, and that wasn't going as well as I had hoped. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try this system. And so I have, and I am happy with the results. As you can see, I am well on my journey to increasing my credit score and opening up other doors for myself. So that's all I have today for this video. As I said before, you will be able to click on a link or use a QR code that I will provide so that you can get more information on the DIY Credit Optimization AI system to be able to do the same thing that I am doing. And as you can see here, in the next 30 days, it's going to populate or it's going to create another report for me, and I expect for my scores to be even higher because I'm going to send these letters off. The credit bureau is going to do their thing and or not, and that's what we're, hoping for is okay, they're not going to be able to do this in the 30 days that's supposed to be giving them to do it. So again, they're going to have to be able, take some of these bad marks off of my credit report, and then my credit score will continue to go up. And that is what we want, right? So again, this is Anita N, the Biz Coach. Just sharing some of my journey, my DIY credit repair journey so that you can see how easy it is to use this platform and how useful it can be. So make sure you click the link or the QR code to get more information. And as I said, until next time, I pray blessings upon you and your continued success.